kids, let's plug everything. Switch off the music. Switch off TV. Alright, that's plugging for daddy. This one is for mom, this one for daddy. Alright. Swimming suit for dad. Dad, do you swimming? Yes, I love swimming. Alright. See here. Flows for me. And then this one. Oh no. Let's put them there. There. Alright, this bag is for mom. For mom, great. And this one is a wallet bag. Let's put them at home. Here's my glasses. Sunglasses. Alright, let me put something. Let's see here. Did we bring this? Yes. Let's bring a camcorder, a toy, a model of the. But that was pretty awesome. Oh no, that was strange. Please put the back one. Alright, so let's bring other things we need. Alright, what about this cool hat? This cool hat is for dad. And this one for me. Let's bring this. I'm just so super excited. Alright kids, let's pop in the room. Alright. I want to go on the scuba diving. Look, it's a dad's bag. He has the passport in. Oh, my bad. So now we have. Alright, Puck. Alright, this one is ours.